Research in motion. RIMM. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, RIMM came out with earnings just here after, post-market. The market closed. And you won't believe it, RIMM missed estimates by 1 penny. That's right, 1 penny, and took a 10% haircut. Whammo, whacked. Never, ever hold over earnings. That is a nightmare waiting to take place. If you're listening to this video right now, it's because you probably got whacked on it. And I so feel bad for you. There's nothing fun about getting smashed on earnings. Listen, keep your chin up and just say to yourself, what was I thinking? I'm not a gambler. I'm running a business. I'm trading. I'm trading for a living, or I'm inspiring to trade for a living. If you want to have fun and gamble, head over to Vegas. I'm telling you, you will have more fun there. But when we're trading, we don't know what's going to happen. When they come out with earnings, it could be anything. And it doesn't take much. They can miss it by a penny and bad things happen. So protect yourself. If you happen to be holding over earnings, make sure you hedge yourself. Put on some protective puts. Sell calls against it. Do whatever. Do whatever it is that will hedge yourself in whatever position it is. A lot of times it's just getting out of the way. It's just selling. Incur the commission cost. If your broker is costing you too much money to be able to get in and out, find a new broker. Find a broker that will get you in and out of trades at a very low cost. But I was watching the 5-minute chart on Research in Motion. Massive volume come rolling into it in the last 20 minutes of the trading day. The last 20 minutes, masses were throwing their money into this. Gamblers coming in, flooding in, just to have their heads handed to them. So anyway, Research in Motion, be careful. Hey, let's take a look here why we're going to look at the S&P. Falling wedge formation. We went up, did a touch and drop. See this? Upper shadow went up, touched it, and dropped. And so I'm looking for a breakout at some point off of this chart. And I expect that will take place, fairly soon. It would not surprise me if we don't break out sometime very soon here. And this is why we're here. Take a look at Dow. Just a downtrend. Finding support down here. Be interesting to see how this plays out. And we'll take a look here at the NASDAQ. We do have a falling wedge here. And it's kind of nice. We hit here, but we did not hit there. Nice and bullish. We're starting to run up. I do have a bullish divergence on the MACD. I expect to break out soon. And, I wasn't planning on showing this, but I'm going to. So I want to take a look here at the weekly chart on the S&P. And I want to draw a trend line here. There's our trend line. Now these two lines are drawn from the daily, so they're still there. But look at this, resistance, resistance. We broke resistance. Now resistance is acting as support with a little doji right there on the weekly. We should get a bounce. So I would not be surprised if this isn't our first higher swing low right here on the weekly. So if the weekly bounces, the daily should be screaming. So anyway, just be watching out for some bullish activity, which blows my mind that we're going to be possibly seeing bullish activity in June and July. And because if you look at the monthly chart, it looks far grimmer than, if that's a word, than what the monthly and or what the weekly and daily is looking. So anyway, we have the monthly kind of showing a different picture, but the weekly and daily nice and bullish. So anyway, there you have it. Looking forward to seeing everybody at freetradingvideos.com. And check out all the other videos that are on there. We have Matador and Breakout putting on some brilliant videos. And if you're not keeping up with those, you're missing out. And there are some genius discussions taking place on our forums. So don't miss out, especially all you guys at YouTube, River, and Mata Cafe, and all the other video sites out there. Looking forward to seeing you at freetrainingvideos.com. Take care.